Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a quick and essential tutorial: how to change your payment method on Adobe in 2025. Whether you're switching credit cards, updating your billing info, or just want to stay on top of your subscriptions, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. Adobe products like Creative Cloud are amazing, but managing payments can sometimes feel tricky. Don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, start by logging into your Adobe account. Just head over to adobe.com and use your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. It's usually a circle with your initials or photo. Click on that and select Manage Account from the drop-down menu. Next, navigate to the Plans and Products or Billing section. This is where all your subscriptions are listed. Find the plan you want to update. Maybe it's Photoshop or the full Creative Cloud suite, and click on Manage Plan. Now, scroll down until you see the payment details. There should be an option that says Change Payment Method or something similar. Go ahead and click it. You'll be taken to a form where you can enter your new payment information. This could include a new credit card number, expiration date, and security code. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any issues. After filling it out, hit Save or Update to confirm the changes. Adobe might ask you to verify your identity or send a confirmation email, so keep an eye on that. And just like that, you're all set. Your payment method is now updated, and you can breathe easy knowing your subscriptions are secure. If you run into any errors, like an invalid card, try refreshing the page or contacting Adobe support through their help center. Thanks for watching, folks. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative.